Hello and welcome back. In this class, we'll discuss another very important operator in C, which is sizeof operator. So this sizeof operator, this is how the sizeof operator is declared. So it is looking like a function, but it is not a function. In C, it is considered as an operator. Now, what is the use of this operator? This operator, where the concepts where we have discussed about data types and qualifiers, there we have discussed that the size of a data type, if it is used along with the qualifier, the size of those data types is dependent upon the implementation of a compiler. The one who have implemented the compiler, he is going to decide what is the size of the data type. Okay, it is implementation dependent. How can we know that a particular data type is going to occupy a certain amount of space? So that can be known by using this sizeof operator. The programmers are going to use this concept of sizeof operator while writing the programs in order to get the size of a data type or size of a qualifier or size of a variable can be known by using this sizeof operator. Let's try to understand in detail about the sizeof operator by using these examples. So this is how the sizeof operator is used. Sizeof int means we are going to get the size of an integer in that compiler. Try to understand that it is compiler dependent. Okay, size of char, size of long int, size of long double, and double is equal to x. So I have declared a variable and the variable type is x, and we can use the concept of sizeof by for these variables also. So for example, if there is a variable and if you want to know the size of that variable, you can just give the size of the name of the variable in the sizeof operator, you will get the size. So try to understand this. So there are many practical implementations of this sizeof operator. As we go on with our programming examples, there you are going to understand the use of this sizeof operator. So this is all about sizeof operator. Thanks for watching the complete video. You have come to this point means we are hoping that you are enjoying our content. You are enjoying our content and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. We will post at least one video every day. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And after watching every video, please like our content. Your likes will help us a lot in growing. And share the content to all your friends and family members. That will help us to grow